Sabo bi ba you never the pa. Oh, me the pa. Give up and see. Come the bed no. What's everything can read? Personally, me was it last year? Yes. Last year, I didn't go show baby. Now, a fine gentleman. Give up and see. Come the bed door. Hey, I work as a pow. If I Jessica pedophile. Oh, I love this. If I'm very at your pa, I can't say baby, Hey, la me to me so. All right. Teacher for what Shanti Region, Ghana National Association of Teachers, not for any other teachers for say. Video edi can cover. Can have a video that for that video di can to so krasana. Or the teacher for the response ever to so am I. Then right the home komo bebre. That Kwame here, but Kwame matching.
Obedi mi joso.
Na impom to say.
Obadi adaro ma bibia e fine passion lanzo e.
Obadi adom me ho ye pa.
Ya da twedi ampo nyankopon na ase. Na meti ase.
Na meti ase.
Na meti ase bia be fine.
Na no na meti ase me hu na ne hwan ye fe pa.
Oh, okay. Fa heza.
Oh, me hu no 10 times every decent
time. Okay. I see.
Program bi na eja.
I see.
I think that program plan na ho ba asem no. Excellent then ministry.
Okay.
White jacket.
Yeah.
Special lieutenant white.
Na metiase. Abi obi ami antia na no pay. A man special good morning pa.
Na Kwame.
Obedi.
Video bi akọ viral. I think it's free.
Yeah.
Anra na sane na ya kan wasema. Anra tichu ya kan wasema. Na video ni ba so am dey kan so mbechi teacher ni. But teacher for our ethics. Oh mo dey ye omunyoma. But it doesn't also mean say your man kwada and disrespecting in teachers ayewo. Your one ye te say o man ko ye kisa me aba be teacher ni no. I won some edaso aye pendi na mo hwe so be mani be. But as at enra time you follow no nyanya be. Mamenyo initial comment on this particular video, then yakoshe the teacher for no aircan.
Hobeni mamena wase anopa ina fi menche T4 omo mo hwe yanso Facebook nso enchi omo na ye na omo ase honum special good morning so nkoma fresh luta abi obi ayechia no nyametiase we are very fine now Beni teacher for video yi ya koso yi ana teacher ni ne abaya no Kwame we hear from the video you can read from the start say abaya no any teacher ni no ntokwa Kwame ntokwa no moko nye ba ko na ebo ba ko
fight
ntokwa nkasa na ekoso
yes ba ku gina ona ba kwa papa
dabi
ase teacher ni twane na se
dabi
fight
dabi nyese obi ahode nchen obi eburo bi de so no akokire no awodufu no ni akase we di osisi no obo na puo dabi da we di otumi se nipa mienu ena omodi ahyem ena omoko nipa mienu na di ahyem na omoko as to say why na ne ho den no eno na the end of it yehu ye eno na the end of it yehu ye no. But then Kwame, if you watch this video carefully, na fiti a shasi no sa na o take commentary e ko ho sa be pimba bi aduri na yesi arrest teacher ni no. The question I am asking is so akoda no so ye ne den. Wo mo chi teacher ni no because oye penimu. Because wo mo fee say onim de. Because wo mo fee say he should know better until no mo arrest na. Na koda no so die ntino o mo jai no
yeah
wo mo jai no say teacher ni tumi bo no otumi hwe no ma ne ye mre ntino o mo jai no and if you look at the video what were they expecting at the end of the fight because ntokwa de kwa mesi ye ko at the end of it de ne ho odin no obebo de ne ho nya den de na adwene ye adwuma de o smart no nim se de ko ntokwa e na obetumi ahwe the other one Now other one I am ready. Kwame. One koto boa momia. Me view. One disrespect me say be me no easy see Kwame me reply. Say adena nkwa nkoduru bia ye wo se me nso me kire say me yo bema me abrante me nso me yo bia. Kwame, it won't get to this extent.
Exactly.
And it is all because the powers, the authority a teacher for church for one, we've taken it from them. The respect I was a church for nyadi free woman koda woman chro ma de hodom no a free ho. Again, the respect I church for a here so munya the free Ghana education service ho. Respect I was a church for nya na a free Ministry of Education ho. Respect I was a church for nya na a free aban honum ne ehunu se ampa wo mo ye akyerɛkyerɛfo wo mo ye ekuo bi a wo mo na identify ye mmofra no na fei wo mo path na nkoda no ekreti no wo mo abo mo no mo fa so no ye mfa sa respect no mo ya gini nyina de afiro mo nsam ɛna ne ya ye omo ordinary Ghanaians, ordinary individuals standing before these kids are who say because if these kids are misbehaving Kwame now to me a kuta teacher near mark what the be dear mark or then who say oh penimono onisa to me no said your wolf will bet to me at the bow bet to me at church and the bar obey to me at tenet and the bano. And then teacher ni any side in the beam because you westernize your education no which so we ya hanum ye mofra ne coach and asefo ne Kwame we aswodin ya ekuta ye ne. This western culture cannot help us build our education system. Kwame enunti ena bibini se one tia no antene no antene se faha wo ja bibini pema na Kwame di obeye no obe bon sama manyame uyembe show eti akoda no to bo teacher ni na o chere teacher ni so onye obi ananka what do they expect from the teacher come one and some kan san na chi nanka akoda no
me de me tan say
yeah nanka
na me tan say Kwame
yes
o be ka chere teacher ni say well done all because the teacher ni ne e ka chere mema no work hostel no omukwa abonte omumantem obi amotwa wasio
yes
indiscipline that teacher ni na make sure say mo kra mo no resi bi dideka wa mamo kwa na wo ba no akwa ko ka che teacher ni say why ade well done no so ko ka chere o ma me no papa well done no so ko ka chere o su ni o se well done akwara no nti wana na sa ade ni sha so it is a fight
so you see
it is not obi na ebu obi
so you see
akwada no so the 18 years
well, so you see
so where from
what to me anya kukudu anante aba teacher ni ho
a teacher ni ho
e be kan bibia chi no
defense no Kwame e wahin na me teacher ni bi ka so also no credit but na the teacher for ni ethics any standard of na me so okay eduru so afansa gu achi
nane
na choose ethics over self defense yan kan dia e wrong emre bi nkwada ye wo ha no mu didi president atem
yes
we condemn that ya wa ha na nkwada authority presidents
yes
authority ministers
yes
ana akwa na ba bedro mu teachers
and no quickly you condemn ye efre nkwada no kra twi o mani
yes say the ethics
what do you mean by that ono no ogina koda na nim o kire na
de no
this is akoda no ko be gina na nim no o kire na de akoda no like funny serious be ohunu teacher ni say onyo bia first of all sa no be hu no say teacher ni na kire na de pa ya e wo se wura ni timu ne tena ni tirimu no to mi di bobra e sefata first thing say obe so what na or pick on the teacher we grow e hwan we na say me ni gira metumi ahwe no we will ni hwe when dressing we ni pagwa akora hye no that will be some of these things e be cost wa akoda ni tirim na teacher ni no ejina ho and the effort will be of the teacher will be effortless obeye di obetumi bia akoda no hunu hwe afi at the end of the day sa akoda no be bon a ye say free teacher ni die benti na ye tete school for no ya no omo ye smart enne ye say ye nkoda ye smart Kwame they are only smart because they are only smart because they can speak the English language. That's all. They Kwame, and now your smartness now you see them called and your smart is because they can speak the English language fluently.
Yes.
Fluently. But say you use what Jonathan can cap there. It is not. It is not. The reason we are where we are today. Eti me dear, Chena ya teacher ni na tumono. Akoda no so kwan be ne de ne fa so. Wadi 18 years. And I have a castle ya bofrenti ya jana manako. No man ko so yes. And then look at violent cases across schools and hoodwoom. When now you are see memory. You see, it is becoming unbecoming. Say, dear Cosuni, the CCC, and your fe and some fata. Ya jit teacher Nino ni to me, ya jit teacher Nino the Nimo Yam, ya jit teacher Nino the spirit a kind of one or the commanding quada. Spirit a kind of one or the general Kodani woman who say, Womo candy nino, ya jini nadia fiomo. Ya jit nadia fiomo. Nankala na lafia, a koye be drew, he found a Kwame, a student ni teacher need to make. Because Kwame first, and can one go school crowd. To the extent that Kwame said, one sorry, not teacher, you crow who said one sorry, a drew Monday, school, or back Kwame to meet you as one year.
Now was that time in the
to the extent that Kwame,
especially mission schools.
Yes, Kwame said, who could China, you not teacher need to wabon, over school more to meet you as so that discipline, our and then connect to me, Pierre.
Oh, teacher, Dino Crown, Kwame. Now, what shall say, a mamma, Miako Pacho.
Oh,
and I do now fast. Because when him said,
you have a
classroom, so
never so
assembly or morning assembly there, and
Dimo.
Hey, a new school crowd, we are not comfortable.
Kwame,
Kwame, teacher need to buy.
Kwame, next students, so to me,
ah, message
Kwame, me say, oh, here,
Kwame, so I wouldn't be a down free.
Yes.
Aye. Yan I could tell that you're jumping to a deal. Come on. I'm your Timmy cousin, no honor. Near you. Kwame, yet to one I said, baby would
remember,
Miss Student in Anne. That Quanaba, say, my order was bought.
Can you imagine?
Sir, Navy Club, not to the Navy.
SHS near Kodan,
student Navy go down.
SHS near Kodan.
I from when
I didn't
hear chair, Renori. What? The salary or a desk student, the salary or no sorry.
So you see,
say, so
Kwame, because in confess, no, sad discipline, no ho, sad fear, no ho, say. Akoda be ko di nsemu na wo kodi kura wusuru se bia o teacher ni bi be chiw baby o kodi kura wusuru se ye be kwa report to me
exactly
nti atwe wo de afiri niema boni bi eho but enne Kwame hwede ye mofra no wo munim
na teacher ni kura se ye nkaba
hwede ye mofra no nim na teacher ni nim
dabida
o betumi aka chen teacher ni so ye kolo
na me say me friend teacher ni bi ka chem say the student ba ko ka chem say pad your case me akra styles are meet my
yawo wo say ne wine and cafe so no Kwame ya pens one because ya tire we say Mr. Moa teacher Joshua
say Joshua
Allah wa say Joshua
your school rich
o say ne wine wa ko kasa say we dey tire
lady o teacher your friend Ronaldo
o say ne wine and he also saw a mofra no so sa na ne Kwame to the extent say enne owofo kram to me ntia ne ba ofie
da bi
enano sunyane Kwame obi efie anim ene wa cement honom fresh o na owofo re ne banam na akora na tiatene kwa kugina ade no so no tiatia so o mese me enko iya koda we di waso de o mese no dia ho no ene wa fa ni para de no. You see,
Kwame Messi at the camp. Ani eko na maambi okra ne mba ana akora idido no twi ana ebubugu sister ne so ana ode na tade nso na unje saa no yi nani ehwa me kam sa akona mtense maame ya oba ne no obi ba na ya nka abubefu say oh Kevin so pesado do
Kwame. Kwame. Say you say nkoda no. And yes say system no. And yes say system no. Nti enne nkoda no se nyame amamu akwame. Nyame amamu a. Na Kwame me se nkoda no. Unim se di omunim no. Omo awofo nim. Omo se yechemu 100. Yechemu 100 mu baako na awofo nim so nim mu baako kra se.
Minimum phobia teacher ni your friend discipline committee anim captain so bani say no I ma me say ne bandi ontimi nya sada
masa ebi akon to the extent oni headmaster e ka den ka fisticoff
you see
Kwame wabra wahuru di akoda ne ye na o ka no o se me ba ne de on tisa because obafia osuro ne ma me ne papa chen teacher fo no nti okofie dia unique o ye so abofo onim hwe
na me catch say akwade na ma me say teacher ni credit say the ba no ayo make sure so mbehwe ne nai mu ye so obedan tem ne say opekwan bi atu na ofo ne fo say be ya akwada no en go wayward asman ma me so Millicent die odan temu Millicent die ono no ohun be ma krada akwada na ka che teacher nti ojimi a styles obeyi no ka che say akwada ni nim hwe
di obi ka kire me ayi ya ka say e na no me me that lo o say oda 10:30 11 no api satan de ni ma me ne papa nim so wada na me say okwa no ba fie time be si bi ho 3:30 why liter ne fo nti oba ya na rain sa ne bia we so prapra ni mo hodum no ya yi nti ni ma me mo nim say wada fie
onim time no
Kwame what enkomo akwada ni mi di ye no mi yem hye me
onim time no
yem hye me o se ni papa ne ma me nim say wada
asa se dia kwa ne de enyo
he
na obi ka say teacher ni no be komo okopa akwada na akwada
na omo nsem hunu firi wo ne nkwada na nkasa kura ko gina teacher nim e ka chem se mepel
teacher adwuma die no wo JSS wo SS na wanhwe ya obedam
Kwame me Kwame ejako me de me ho ye example akwada tumi be gina manim ka chem se wo de ho fo
ai ojuwe obeyo media tina media teacher as a professional ba fa
Kwame
because bo amesi abomo no watika say nyina bebubu say yes me yemo teacher for no say Akins mo nya ade ne say nana dike mo nya ade ne Robert mo any teachers abudo so man kan timu a bebre na bedem ansa no makopɛ bo mu de nyame adom mo hu dada
yes o mo hu atra
so mo nim say no mo be yo mo hu young guys na ba mu no what say teachers na by young boys
oh yes oh young
can no teacher ni no or dress ni shoe kakra kan kaka discipline
yes
and a young guy no ba no
Kwame no
but they want that they have
Kwame no say young life no woni trim do work oda no we
sa trouser na Kevin mo she and krama
meka no na ase haro not trim say no
boys movement no
e woni mu
okwo club on okobi masa baby abefa no fa bi etu ye mistake hire dey teachers ndabia mbompa e mo young guys no mo ba
na me say enkoda ne ho ahom se enkoda no phone ne o mo tablet o mo use no Kwame e smart kura chen ye dey use speed na ekuta no enye speed ketwa eti baby ono be kwa akọ no obewura no untumi wura ti se yes ya ti didi ani se wa dey
o se wa bo akwada no
omo kun ya na wa bo no
dam si we eye bro teacher ni no kran Kwame na nwa me ka se o hwe teacher ni carefully na on person obebo akwada
dabi
ana no twa so mi se teacher ni
yes
na ka se teacher ni ya na adwen so obebo na ko mo bulo nhyehyɛ ne ho and in all that kran person 10 teacher ni hwe
o ba so o kire ni bibi Kwame
ana dia man for
na sa bibi kitwa no se o kire na even kra de course no wa good teacher ni na ni mu ase going forward
aka da god teacher ni hwe
sa enkoda no o maka ho no o mo ho no no obehu sa dibu a omodi ma teacher ni na be kosoro the spirit of the teacher ni no so be kosoro
Kwame minti na make say ebeba fom wo ye teacher ni a ebeduru ba bi ni say na teacher for no be Kwame se me hwe ona wo se ase nya me ba no
na ma ja ona wo se
ankwasi ase ma opese odi
bia na odi
Kwame ye ni ya na bechem presex one of the school presex boys ne gangi ko repu ababa wa young girl
yes
boys be 4
yes
Omo we tramo. Ni asi we tofe pa nkwada ni use school we
at that age our ACHS. We had the young crying about him say ye free be say menu oba eda.
Ayin. Kati jane say the SS the JSS what do achieve class is ko one na.
And so first.
Kwame me say nkwada no we tofe boarding house we go
yes.
We tofe go. Anaka boys yi twen second say omo dey threat o mother students
yes.
Ombetwitwa.
Yes.
O dey try me.
O dey try me.
Teacher ni ntimi kantimi o ye teacher ni a Kwame what will happen is say ote ni baby monko. O mu abese police ni a dey na kwhye ekwan wa ye say obu na omu ye ye from say police fo ya oba kwotera kwan wa visibility fo.
Yes.
Visibility fo mu te ho a he opa akromfo metwam opa kan hwim opa omu ma hoda ana mbuso say nti mu te ho ye dey say an that time na ira dampare wall say ye ntena se na manfo say police wo okuru
ye hu ye keke
visibility
di hu ana ye beze mu ye
nti say bia obi awia de na police omuawo na obi edi nkwasasem traffic crazy oba begino bi a minute direct
enye na
so dabi na djuma se betena wo de hu say police ni okuru sana teachers baye wa be ba be teachers ni nyina ba o ma dwen se omo fo mo nkwahye sa de ti sa kwada utwitwa oyonko se kan kura teacher di no ma ho
on few
because oba do be kabida ne nsa kotope ye be che na tum
on few
what it
on few
don't we teacher for the nya
they cost dey
o ma ye nya na kwada na de na ana teacher ni no ethics ni de hwa kwada ni nyame kwankwo de teacher ni fiafia we kwode ne hwe ho
nti the teacher ni no ethics an kwada no do mu ni ethics e wo so mu di so wo school
we best mark na chira de anka on fa wisdom ko fa ne hwe wisdom
de ko wie no wisdom ni unisis ni obed mu
da be unis grade ni modu ka
ni modu
na obed di say ni mu atu say
ye nko wie no
what time do na hwe ho
nko be wie no kra
obed ko show be ti say babra no student
sama ba
obetam na hwe ho
obetam na hwe ho obewie
no ana wisdom ye a teacher ni na babra obetia no hwa
emfa
Kwame, we should be fair to the teachers.
Yes.
Once obi ateki stance omu didi teacher di na.
Ye ntwe akoda na so ntino.
Are you guys
for real? Nemfefo nso be hunu se o de oye ne ye.
An say ndia hu so oya me papa bebe ndi.
Ane. Ai. De oye na ye ndi obekoso aye.
Oya me papa.
Na nemfefo nso eye.
Sa dia na
ha o ye kan teacher for hye. Na time bia ye kan teacher for hye. Mi wa odon so na be gina nkoda ye ni mu akira de.
Ti dia mo ye no de. Now ye ntie the teacher for ne ka. Ye ntie the first time I'm happy. Cause by ya nurses say, doctors say, that teacher for the monka.
Tenir friend no not secretary Ashanti region. Ye teacher near friend no boy naughty. I'll try the Hinikan Lake Senior High School. Or no, I have to say, obedi abai ensem. Na ya buy no ya bona and she when they say teacher near or ye hall manager or near house master or higher dining school na bontinje school mo and the school is hard than hobby teacher ni hwese akole nkonkoda and just me say nyina abo asem na NC wo school no emu is you outside the school premise hostel private hostel ah we na ho no na enim sanke ne no e ba be ku ase ne lo ya fo me ne ba ye ni penifo abeka se ne commander kasa ne high MP akasa sanke ye ma teacher ni kwana nko fie e just say nyina ye ma ne bill o che here de beba ya ka you say order from above when you be above no e free buy it's abeg na say ka say won ka be my say you hu ne ntete sa teacher ne o na djuma na say mo say sine ma order fi ba bi anya data na kan yo na order from somewhere hene fa ase mo say akoso ache we say be ka ho say ade na e ba sa yes mo e china no omo ye English language school teacher for na says teacher ni me fear no because you send them no go we yan kon en internet big we so hono mra chama yeah no so nya
Auntie Kwame the National Council of Parents and Teachers Association NCPTA say Oma issue letter bi na Kevin letter no ho mesere ya mami almost say NCPTA condemns assault of student by teacher at Nyinehini, Weya Sotong, Kali Senior High School. The National Council of Parents Teachers Association, NCPTA, as chief custodian of parents and students' welfare in our schools and communities, are viewed with deep shock and condemnation the viral video showing a male teacher identified as Eric. Eric Banute Upper Flow of Nyinehini Catholic Senior High School in Achuma Mponia district in the Ashanti region, physically assaulting the patient's Chibu, a female student of the school. One, our position, condemnation. Ghanaian parents unequivocally condemn this act of violence, beating, punching, and slamming a child in the manner captured in the video constitute torture and degrading treatment. It is a gross violation of the child's right. The GES Code of Conduct for Staff, particularly Section 3.8, and our social values. 2. Impact. Such misconduct amount to gender-based violence. It exposes the student to physical injury. Emotional trauma. The teacher, traumatized. Okay. Then, Anna has a mandate. Our recommendation, recommendation. Therefore, I just recommend the following steps in accordance with law and order. Police investigation. Now, money when my condemn answer. GES disciplinary action. PTA plus parental action. And systemic safeguards. Conclusion. Ghana is a country governed by law, not by the jungle. Teachers have a duty of care, maintain discipline, and ensure safety. But that duty never extends to violence. Remains committed to safeguarding the welfare of every student and creating a conducive climate for teaching, learning, and character development. Gabson Kofi Raphael, General Secretary, National Council of Parents Teachers Association for Ghanaian Parents. Secretary now. Secretary now.
Kwame, let's look at the impact in our country. Such misconduct amount to gender-based violence. Are they referring to Akwadano and as a teacher?
Akwadani or ban a teacher
and yet gender-based violence on the teacher. Say Akwada, Ebedina Temu and Nim, Wankwada and Nimu.
They have condemned the act of the teacher, but not the
kid. Into the Akwadana, yeah, right.
PTA, parents and teachers.
What a trust I let know.
You've condemned that of the teacher.
Did they read through this letter?
That of the student.
Did they read through this letter before bringing it out? Ah, and answer Brofono. What trans no more trouble Brofona to say Brofono the able to be no match. Ah, and
the answer we person can to details. Kwame Nkwantabisa was Akwadan be here psychologist, but teacher in the own answer.
Oh yeah. Hello, it exposes the student to physical injury. And the Anthony point is living.
Gabson Kofi Raphael, on a General Secretary, National Council for Parents and Teachers Association. But is a Gabson and a pair marching? Then point to say,
don't know my pipe.
Yamia dom, Yansia Hoye. More communicate and I'm releasing that Yanya B. On a video called viral between teacher Eric and then Ababa Jibu. Wadaroma, as Parents and Teachers Association, Mujina Muma Afenunina. mo letter na dia ankasa na mo communicate wadaroma
Dedi ka amenda wase na mema say baby a wo sha ase free ne nsema a wo kan no ma me chire mu kakra. Yeah, as National Council of Parent Teacher Association no. Ye juma pa e wo schools no mu. And say one say school no e kwa hu ye mu a ya said pa ne say enam say ye bada chinti ye mba ye yonti ye mba kan konti ene o man no da chinti no ye boa ama ye so kakra bitima ye eyisa ha woni free ho no ye yi efri ho na samboa no emu be 90% efri awofo na nkasa ho nti ye association no the teachers for no collaborate but ye nya kasamafo as an official legal mouthpiece for teachers there be tina teachers no wo association a o masamba o issues ba the association leads for them we will support and also collaborate with them and I'm say sebio school na akwara na kono o cheche ni na kira akwara na de ti say how bi o school no ma na ehu a say na o cheche funding sa so ne nkwa betima boa na ono so no ho ahan na edisua na ono so kira akwara no eso ba mfa so amai ti de di kan pese meka no.
Okay, so back to a year later no.
Okay. So instead na see no. De di kan ejuma obi a ye no. E kwa wo form ne say de ejuma pa nyame de maaye awofo ejuma o de maaye. Enu nti so your church ni a o ye journalist o ye there your first responsibility is that you are a parent. Enu nti sabe sade onkwana ya ade a enye a yetimi condemn e support a teacher for no saso na sabio teacher ni ya ade na ade na oye no okotra de mbrama no ho kwan so oya na say ka hwase enu nti your position was that and is that as Ghanaian parents ye condemn incident a see no because ya hunu more as a dismal issue. It was an act of violence because beating obo akwada e punch no GS code of conduct e ma ho kwan sabio sakra no kwan na ya mfom so a ye wo kwan a ye defa so ye so obi mfom kuma ye mfom ndwa ti na friend se ono ya akwada na wo ye panyi enu nti no ade na asi na ye hu no e wo viral video no constitute what we call torture and degrading treatment, and it is a gross violation of the child's rights, and it's also breaching the GS code of conduct for staff of the Ghana Education Service. Sa code of conduct no okai mu abakosem na ohwe omo a omo tintim krata teacher unions nyina tintim krata efo aso say every management afa say na better no self teacher for afa so say na better no ankora no so ye na etra so say na better no de nyina ewom e na yankasa so as on my Ghana no wow ye funu bakura wa wo no ko betwe na so a e wo limit they were so twe about the makwara na the whole society will come after you into societal values etia saade no na saade na esi no you who say a misconduct amount to what we call gender-based violence. And expose school akwada to physical injury, emotional trauma. It can lead to absenteeism. It can also lead to loss of motivation in the school system. At the end of the day, everything to drop out. You know, as a Ghana, Yaboka, education about girl child education, sensitization. I say, we be bringing who say, "Ya manatra." They say, more on boy child education." And untino, Mesra Eka say, no act of discipline in quotes can justify unlawful violence against a child. Say a parent na you, say your children na you. It's yambra. Into your mandate, and they say we are to promote the welfare of school children, secure adequate laws for their care and protection, and build united efforts between educators. Educators na yakano maminchire mu ye. Educators enye a teacher for nko awofo so enye educators. Media people mu ye educators. Obia or share knowledge are relevant, whether traditional knowledge, whether formal knowledge, whether informal knowledge. I am from Obia account and the public to secure for every child the highest advantage in physical, mental, social, and spiritual development of the child. We cannot, yet as Omai, and yet as parents, yet as teachers, yet as whoever you put in that context, yet may fulfill this mandate if students are unsafe in our schools environment. Tisa akwara akwara ya ade na ade na akwara no ye no enimo ho ya ade akwara na ya enye no kwan so a sabe ye wo mbra kwan ye defa so ma odi akwara chi bufuo na akoye ye normal na de nsem ba teacher ni ko ye parent no because ni be a parent obi a ne ba ho akasa no sabe akwara ti kopo ho na nyame amfa papa amba no free mu a kenko yi yawa kade incident school kwara no yes aden we issued a press statement ya condemn the yankwara no ye no esa so ka so mo investigate incident no because teacher ni na oye na sede yembra kwan no oye making sure say he can instill discipline in the school on teacher akra bi fa wodi ho issue no say so on makwan mo nye apo school kwara no say won kwa na wo pese wo ye won so your sure abofo teacher fo ni bi de omo boy na ye ka say sa de na ekoso no eso mo investigate na teacher fo mo fo abone so no and corruption with school born no enu omundi na nkoda no so mbra kwan bi ebetuma twe o ma so say mbra ma ho kwan no ye ma due process of law nko ti awo fo mo ye say omo so akọ patch on ya nka bi ama omo enunti eno de ye woka efa ho no ni abo police for so abaso say de see ye no any immediate reaction na nka eba from the community no dem no twitwaje ye nyina ba jo kan commercial school no ana so mashi baby a incident ne see ana so bibi akoto teacher ni na eno so akotra but obi o play role say police for say committee leader say PTA for mutimi juju omu no yes so obi asa adwobrɛ ye fum kuma ye fum ndwa ti de esi no ye besre say mbra enyi. Yes.
Wadaroma, o kasano, somehow tell you so, say your fum kuma, your fum dwa.
Yes.
In as much as we condemn the act in no uncertainty term, no.
Yes.
Some of krata. Now the recommendation and conclusion. Yes. Now in the third recommendation, more calling for investigation from the Ghana Police Service.
Yes.
But in so doing, you have already chastised and condemned the teacher. And the investigation, baby, because we've concluded.
Minua. After that, I had a pa. That we should not condemn. We have to condemn it. But it does not mean that we are crucifying the person on the altar of condemnation. We are saying that that act is an unfortunate incident. What two studios is here? Now, say, why are dear cry na mbrama okwanse okoka e studio ho? No, be sorry, but to show us. We have to condemn the act.
Very good.
First of all, please hold your fire, please, hold your fire.
Mr. Gabson, you also listen to me because Wadaroma.
No, let me finish my part. I'm trying to.
So you also have to.
Let me finish that part. We have to condemn that part of whoever has also crossed the line to come and attack you, we have to condemn it and call for truce and urge that due process of law should be used to arrive at an amicable conclusion. That is what we have asked.
But are you not also giving a bad precedent? Say a teacher will be attacked by Akwada, and supposedly teacher also say, "Oh yeah, what we call self-defense." Then we come out to condemn it. At least Akwada 18 years know the right from wrong. So condemning this in totality without a holistic approach is that a bad precedent.
We made 4 strong recommendations, which are all holistic approach. 1 was to condemn and allow the due process of law to go on. 2, we have called on the GS, because all your investigation, Nipa no involved, he should not interfere in investigation. That is the normal approach. And now, yes, also, I raise this, I work for any parental action. No. Mo amuso nkoye normal bia ambra ma ho kwan. Sabe teacher no ya che no. Ambra kwan ni ka asema. He is entitled to bail. He is entitled to some basic rights. Ah obi ntimi njin free ni sem. Enti ni nyina no due process. Afana nyina no ye ma ho kwan na mbra enye adwuma. School nkwara no omko attack teacher no wakadi no. Yan condemn. Obi ka say mpacho. Obi ka say na yan busan kwara no anye David, we can do that. What is wrong is wrong.
I've heard them to me busa question Madaruma.
Mpacho to me busa.
Mr. Ralph, so looking at this, now you hear what now the teachers are saying. Said the OD kind your initial comment. To me, we are not here to see who wins, but to get a amicable solution to the cause. You only very well say Nkwadane was see. The teacher stands and they say and release the teacher and then ye china. Omun so enko classroom and na ye nim aggrieved teachers and repercussions are ebetima ba ye meya omutro was so. Are we also not looking at that side as parents and teachers?
Me kasa mu no me only make was answer but me kasa mu no me kasa the teacher is entitled to bail me can answer manka.
Okay, sir. But
so what are we discussing?
As Teachers and Parents Association, you could have added your voice to that.
Hold your fire.
When
the incident happened,
you can't be holding fire.
Me say hold your fire. After the time we're releasing the statement, we didn't have any evidence that the teacher will be detained beyond 48 hours. Did we have that evidence? We didn't have that evidence. But even in our statement, we said due process of law should be adhered. Into some police administration or acting outside the remit of the law. I'm not going to say I can't want them. I can't want them to see.
The act of the teacher we condemn is wrong. But brother, would you also say Akwada attack a teacher? If not for this particular instance, is it okay? Say Akwada beko ni teacher who akwate morning and no beka sakasentwi. Is it what we are promoting?
Who in his right senses will encourage disorder and chaos in the system?
Mr. Ralph, because the Ghana Police Service statement to
I don't speak for Ghana Police Service.
No, but that is the official.
Please, Mr. Nana, Mr. Don't put me into issues that I have not said anything against. In all the issues I was raising, I have not supported and collaborated the police for going into the excesses and abusing them. The rights of the teacher.
I think so. I
have not taken any stance.
You are preempting what I'm about to say. The American say Ghana Police Service at the police statement report on the incident about.
Yes.
And American wife yes to say working can be. The part that Ghana Police Service said, Enkwadano behavior. What teacher ni ko kind of resulting to this. So the premises of the issue. On a middle wa dream ko say eja.
My point is that sebe. I don't think a fair akwaransa akwada. Eye den obey normal enya no kwan so. But mbra ma kwan say also be ya there attract the two media mouth.
That is true.
And come na edi. Why are we introducing gray areas that we don't all support? Parent ben na support na koda sabio onye to trasem. Our folk o buy to trasem kwa na also o twina so a o ko tra de mrama wo kwan a mbra ne udi. Intimesre me amene wo kase. Besides everything say me a parent, me a teacher ni, but I will not go to that length because I know the implications. I read the GS Code of Conduct and Professional Ethics for Teachers. I know the rules of engagement and the extreme provocation. You should know how to conduct yourself as a mature person. I'm not saying, say, they are kosono. I'm Korani binya swode. Say they won't kwada pano. Say they won't kwada boni. Say boni fonti ne shembra. Anamebwa. Say they won't teacher for our moye papa. They won't teacher for moye chap for moye boni for. Say they won't journalist for moye papa. Obia system mono. They were mensa for whom. Tis obi. Oko ene mensa sam. Na mbrakwan da ho. Na wuja mbrakwan na ofo tuo ko bonu kuna. De onu ye obi nka wansam o immediately. Trana wa tramra no. Eno na ye kwa ho ka wansam agina ho achew. Na also won cheche ma utimi cheche na mbrama wo kwan say utimi mount self defense to defend yourself. Fa na mbra be jawo. But I'm saying we should all go through due process of law. And I'm not supporting any abuse on the teacher's part. Say they should not grant him bail. No.
Alvi, mami na se pa.
Besome da se bebre.
Yera Gafson Kofi Raphael. Odo na Ghana he nyina oba a teacher for any chef for omuno ane yon general secretary omun kabum kono one general secretary Kwame
Oveni
interesting days ahead
easy
make a choice we teacher ni
easy
na oba student here yatena baby dwun hu
Mami ni kanfa sobo mo Ghana Education Service le bia meka mo teacher for mo akyerɛkyerɛ for baako sei mo Kwame mo baako sei ɛna mo protect mo nso baako sei mo agya mo na akyerɛkyerɛ for are vulnerable ma akyerɛkyerɛ for are vulnerable onya ye ate sɛ de mo kai na code of ethics ne na sefo ɛna mo ba be use. Now let's look at it this way. Nkoda no code of ethics say ya zoomi say omo ye nkoda just like omo kan, and so you are matured and you can say or react somewhere. Are they not also taking note of emotional cases say and you be wo it can take your emotions say it will take stoicism so wouldn't need any money bia you will act because and many be wo stress akyerɛkyerɛ for you be from atete akyerɛkyerɛ for you be from need ye na mu nyina on top of it na akoda saba misbehave because Ghana Education Service is not fighting for them, because Ghana Education Service is not protecting them, because the unions and the associations they belong to doesn't care about them. Enti on top of it that's a sane ma yibe wura na bia busuan issue ne na sefo say wura mu are they saying say teacher ni no your spirit or your God, so he should be able to welcome all of this and contain this?
Kwame 18 years kro onye child.
Is that what they are saying?
First will be already 18
because I say 16 obetumi have sex e bia 16 na defilement 18 obetumi awade a then a chese wonyini na adwiri mu ado 16
otimi ye na under the super no emre wo ho na ya Ghana for yetai etotwene
yes
16 otimi eye na mom no kwase me wom pa ne se eno wo se ne papa wo ana akwa no ne papa fie but 18 the otimi ware and 60 otimi ware but 60 otimi ye
so you see Kwame hwe said yes he didn't come on ne said yes he done come on enyo emwa o ye hwe bibi ye nso Ghana Education Service mumfa mo nan si ho because babia enkyerɛkyerɛ ne adekyerɛ wo sɛ koso no ɛhɔ ɛna violence ahodo ɛhyase ɛboboba ɛhɔ ɛna ni hu kwan sɛ niema ɛwɔ se yɛte no yɛte
what made us say
they should be very careful.
Some of them catch you say teacher foundation advise themselves ma can't them natural. We are all parents then I am mom
yeah so mukos you
so me teacher ni be bomaba unnecessary there be a meka na me say champion serebe so or result I'm no garrison garrison baby I'm
yeah.
Say but I'm scared rate omu bombing kwasi baby o me kon achi say you to me nyo obi am so teacher ni so say oni kwasi asem me ya me bida oni ma kontra o say time I dey kwa assembly no say e kwa 7:30 my bus 7:31
1 minute
Kwame your papa mechi 1 minute be 10 kings papa mechi enko de omo mechi Kwame kon achi temi me so teacher for so many say hunu but I like fairness yeah oko internet ni so obi e condemn teacher ni no and that is where people want to go to I want to look at the thing holistically.
But then bisa question mark. The event na woko military schools here yen hu say omo nkoda no omo that's how violent ni nkoda born sense ni edi wo ho. O de I know the education ni bia.
O come there be do o de give up and see. Ko try and see.
And then na what the discipline ni bibia koso.
Me say na kure mu ayefo dan me ko da me ka tum say mu ayefo. Hwa
and then how they be a cost will be a
student to a garrison and now you there and our service and our forces say only a teacher ni beku ezida
and now they
say standards number from disciplinary standard open wa
and I say the other government na military no omodi and papa civilian for the and
also more SS and forces say student need teacher need to
over to the
come there be do
na dey crowd be ba otimu kura so be kwakoto. So you see, it is because say your system no saying so.
Kuramba was wedding kwasi asem sa.
I know.
That no sports stadium kakra mu bae. A petition la kan kwada na hia mo we no.
Ene we.
But teacher ni bi nkoka.
Anyway. Oh.
What?
Famu de.
Ai.
Famu de.
Ah mo bo ho no.
Ah.
But teacher ni bi nkoka. Ye benya enkofo aba begire chi ne. The media the future near being who nyane. I'm saying say me stand say code of ethics, code of conduct for teaching in we breach here, we should condemn it.
Yes.
Young condemn ya kran so act no. Me stand
because come the course no nye teacher ni na na you know omo ko.
Me stand say you can't condemn the teacher and leave the child and the student. You can't condemn the teacher and leave the student. Member stand no. What? Nyasa me for teacher ni say you are here because as teacher ni no. Now so on you maybe I'll bet my ka ufiri wo kra nkeye. Sometimes to kwani bu eba so akoma na afiri wa eye. Enti ono entima anya odifo no. Akwada no so nko kanche ni teacher ni enko kanche teacher ni say well done in the first place. What? You should condemn both that. Me anka che kwada no mu ban say odi nsehuna. Nsehunu bediw.
Kwabe we ntokwana no moko. Nye ba ko na hwe ba.
Then I say nya atwonwo man hu na obo oba na akoyese na wa yese. Kwame ye sha ase o de free o. Yakọ okay, yakọ ayi. Ya kan aferi ho asem a. Ey. Baby atam na koduru no. Kwame yaka fra yi mame. Ya omun nam kwan so kwame omukọ aferi hospital ho no.
Okay.
Anti omunya duru ho no ma ye bedi ho nkomo. Yaka aferi ho asem a na anopai omukọ ho no. Kwame God being so good.
Yes.
Omukọ ho no.
Okay.
Omukọ hospital ho no. Mesero omukọ mu wian ko omukọ sewua.
Ah, sewua.
So kan yesero.
Ah, wo yes.
Yam di pa mu.
Chepo macho.
berebra ma
amani
bi amba ti misere omu wie ha eni die manko omu ko honso nka homan esere omu
bako
but I step no chromatic no me bo ma ba so
sure
but sometimes no say the biaka yen no ye emergency thinkers this asema ba sheshe
asema ba za na dwina nane senkuto anane senchine awia bono asema ma ya dwene no enye adwuma
anapa mama bedwafo no ntena se na omutena se RSYD no Vigi studio ye studio abama studio ye kama studio state of the art equipment ebu ho setam studio professionals ewo ye won hin ye won kran malama bia se first kokoko street onya duru ho pewa hu ye RSYD no Vigi studio se waba na utwa movie utwa skit oye program be ye ne ebegina mu a ye be ye mani da ho ye studio na wo de baba be ye movie ne o programs ne ye kama ade na won frɛ 057 471 5778 and 030397482 030397482 Ghana fana nyina ofrɛ ye a ye no be din sa wo so anopa Roman father na dro no Father Martins Heba Mr. Ohonam na ye ochichiti stroke achewa na ache obi a onim na odadem o de akopɛ Roman father dro ni bi man anasa wo sɔre ase wo sɔre kwa woni ana me honam ye me na de me nyame nkɔ adwuma kora o na de mesɛwa unya Roman father na dro no ohonam tutu waye mre waye weak ankasa pressure na wo so diabetes na wo so yade aye kwa ankora wo so mesɛwa unya Roman father dro no adena no pɛ unko pebi na eno so emboa wo nyame ensa wom divine ankasa yade aye kwa ankora de na kan dra ni Roman father na dro anopɛ obehwe me panel said you must see you afọ mu a omo aye hwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehwehw sure say anopa yo moto mata de so na atade mo hwamode a na every comfort na wusi unwoma na wi a edru ba bia besamfunu mu a na wanya abote edia som na odi som a na okoyi ya otim se atade nani ate enya ani na ate nko a nemu emu aye hwam ama wanka so sa atade na ye mono comfort wa man ke be den wa ma ke be den comfort na ye di gu washing machine mu odo nsa na laundry ne nso a utimi di gum te se bibia wo de ye comfort na ma atade ani ate nemu so aye hwam enso ho anopai OCP Ghana Limited ana anopai omo se menkanche o se season na draw season be na dru ho season ye de dua atoso de ye de dua buro ye de dua mo season ni na abebo fertilizer de ye OCP fertilizer se wo kwa akobo na se wo de ni atoso de nya do ntos moko vegetables ni de unya OCP NPK no 15 ana 10 na mo amudua emo ene abrozu nya 10 ana 15 legumes for no de mo nya TSP OCP TSP eno na ade boso a ebema no baye na so doso na fei ayo original enso bi anyini giram colors bi anim tago e ba Mr. no pay na make am farm bema azitia e ma oni mu ase ene man koyi wa kan kra chonse ene man koyi ne nyina na se bema de obema sem ne hye unikem obema sem yonikem kodu wa unse na se de ekoyi de manso ne enchibuo ne disrespect na ebefio onya tago he ba Mr. na ohun enjegira ho so watenka ne wo fom ba be ma watenka wo fom yade o entra ho man yema bi hawo bo modian ne kopebi tago he ba Mr. na no pay bobo sanso the infections ahodo adokore infections nti se obi abanche anoko me se unya tago he ba Mr. 0243 228296 0243228296 oko drugstore pharmacy shop biada anopay omu ebema wubi abejafo atena si na me the 21st clinic and emom because clinic na eye bibia bi nyamiadom ye doctors nim di 4 ho ye wo lab wo wa oba nye se oba ya kan ya dia ne ehwe o debi bia mo aduro debi doctor ne obedi nkomo se okoso he lab a ye be mo akọ he lab se scan na o si etwa betwa mo ahwe o ye funu ahwe ne ma ewom ansa kra ne mo aduro eye 21st clinic na emom sciatica ne die sciatica se o si achitwon besi u ne ase no kira wo se yade kesie bi ba sciatica ne kira wo se yade kesie bi bentuso ano wa anso ano wo da ho na edi ayo enti unya 21st clinic anope ade na ma sisi achitwe wa besi na ase na to ho na ye de nse bubom na nkura ni gina so na de duku bom edi ba be ye wo ti anope bomodin a na e sort ho out 21st clinic the sciatica expert 15 branches anope wo frey am baby be oni amo akọ 0249311311 0249311311 na 0540311311 oboase ye tua ho oboase ye ho cancel cortes court junction ho na be ho kuma se hwa overseas Sompa TV osoro anomu so ewo from Alpha Radio ne benyen sanso na nkran ye Tantra Hill udru Tantra Hill obe hu yesuyan teaching hospital ye ne first gate ne ye nimhwe mados abro sanimu a sanso na bank kransa ye tiopoti sanso na techima ye wo GN Bank dan 21st clinic ye wo sciatica expert comrade Umar Harris anope ma chain
Nkwantabisa meje oso
na umpum te saying
alhamdulillah Allah da romanti yango pa and I don't need to ask you say also who to say because as usual
alhamdulillah
kama
ba na sia no pay na afi honorable Nkrumah Paul also if you have honorable Arape ma chain na umpum te say good party mun so boko ya do ba dia say Arape Comrade Umar Harris, a youth activist, so no kan Ashanti Regional Communication Team ma National Democratic Congress NDC, so na Honorable Nkrumah Paul Assembly member ma Kokobang hin apimenim Kokobing atwama send ya Miami Krum electoral area also the New Patriotic Party NPP anopai yedi nkomo na yen shas ye na also for message in the 05094388500 WhatsApp DTST oko Facebook no so o leave or comment section no so a anopa yen sabeka na yaje ni akenkiama Maslog former boss Mami Sedina Tamaklu can you want a chief executive officer say no waba bedru Ghana eje ku eje bo nyajo na enro bedru ni ase edna ma Ghana prison service process no omumfa ne pass through yenyina enim say 10 years na abeda na chi etwe no Maslog sensem ehya ase na mamewa US obeba oma ye extradict no hon sembe ye bebre finally mamena ba bedru the way forward for us saying Ghana National Association of Teachers Ashanti Regional Secretariat demands for the immediate bail of the teacher at Nyinehini Catholic Senior High School. Video akọ viral ya no pe mabo bia mo wahwe na yate se teacher ni omukofa no bail so omumfa ma na teacher fo no so adwa so amade a wase no krom ye no omunkokra omunkwane nkra ndi ombe yom munyo sanso ana Deputy Finance Minister aka sasehwe modern NDC abanya bon omudi omu safeguard omu bon ho ban pa economy no achievement abam no ahoya amuli omu bon ho ban pa se eno nso enko babia mami ma comrade yanhwe enkwada yi sami teacher ni ene ababa we ene babia kwa kodru.
Alright, na medasi ma menchia na menchia ahwefo so na menchia mempeso asofo asonase constituency ni tichu ene me honorable member of parliament honorable Muntaka were Minister of Interior. On top of that omampeni hu se obon homodin yasade national security aka no ho na yenchia no na yena na sene ne dwuma pa odi edi aboa Ghana nyina nyankopon koswa M1 no ma no nyansa ne ahoden na onkoswa anye de oye no na menchi Alhaji Mustafa Ayarga on ne protocol officer ye bompa say edru time a ye ba beto election constituency election I be promote no na wakoye chairman ma menchi anwa bia MC omabo wisdom osebo ama okumkom na enche bia no ye be prepare akonwa no na waba na adwuma wodi no nwa bia no na wabeka akire ama mansa nyina ate na menchi amiankasa menua ostrich ono na nyame ya doma ya de ne ba for Ashanti regional organizer na ostrich wa chire ne bobre a edu tama si ahene for ne to ahene for ne se ostrich utama so Richmond osei nti no ye ka kire ne se omwa ne ho na asanteman etai ne chi ene Nyankopɔn so ya doma ye betu no bombu ama no ama ya hye ne mo nyam na edwuma no waye ama ehun faso no aba e de ama NDC nana me say asem yi ba me hu se video e ko viral no na me awrewo me hwa me say na de na ekosu yi na me tika mu na me scroll through my phone na me hu na me I never knew say because nipa o post no one for caption anto ho so later on na me sa ko hu na me te so oh sa na teacher ni any student teacher ni as a ono na I mean hostel facility no na manager o se den na de na ekosu yi because sebio be ma pa ni oba ho den ni be ma ho den enye pe ede na ba edu sam pempen so ya be ma yi sebio udimi so no kra no no onhyera anya fit sa because nanka oba ni yere no ho kakra bi kra anka bia wantimi over power no but your course na enye fe wo ye teacher ni na bia misunderstanding about any student in sema at least school no our procedure ya the seek redress for such irresponsible behavior students then a teacher for. So the best thing I'll be say appropriate courtesy I also report ya kwala no to no reporting to na said ya GS mrasi no na ya fa saa emra na ayeden atwe akwala na so na set teacher ni woni akwala bege to the extent say ube descend that low wone ne tintam ti se oyonko be ma buno ti se oyemu ba antwe ye kura na asem no obi a okan e so aka na asem but se de ko mu ma eco result in that very violent and very dirty act no we are yet to hear a comprehensive report because ebi mo say it's over hostel fees ebi mo say over fees bia also mutua no okaka ho asem and a girl need in a tem and a teacher no then a year the way no but
Ghana police service a year on the buy and say initial where you make you and say aquadano over school one hostel facility then quada mema no mukwa omuma tetobia you also responsible for quadom da hostel
exactly
and mama no so omukwa abonti omuba very late to me no say mema ne de ndie omuntimi onko from parents buy na say yi mema na free
okay.
A man also continue yes I didn't say akwada by no ka teacher ni say well done so why are there so am a pam boys no kwada no ko ka say teacher
asemo
it is about disciplinary measures be o take here and say teacher ni no enso so enya abotre don say onko kan well done in kire de ma me ne papa na akwada no so ko ka kire o meka kire o ma me ne papa enti wa na teacher ni to nsa.
Well, Osha situation asifem say we've gotten to this point where Niema Koso say na ebe result into this thing say and I just say oza me no the very day a bind that no e de emre bi ba ye bane corporal punishment in our various educational institutions. I mean we say no, this is the dire ramification of that actor or Mampeni Akufo-Addo and the MPP are buying now mobile no guno e de buy because in kind it na ye school me ye nyimi sa. But now, the relationship between a student and a teacher, no respect to go because the teacher had every right. Unim say, we had the answer fata. Teacher ni beden, ebe panisho. Unya mami bia obe firifie, abekasa adentina teacher a panisho. During that day, na teacher ni mekai mi ankasa madam for be a friend Lamin. Not prescribed. Footwear yeshe ewa to senior high school and a black sandals and a black black shoe with black socks. And all koshe Mr. brown sandals. Nema me bansra. E wo school mu na obeto say ne ba na share brown sandals unim dey see umi bebia onyan bebia obi yankopon hia no umi ono boy no maame no e na di kan wuro ne na sempabo ano and also was seize at the glare of all the students and akola no busa ne say na umi me mpabo yi a wagi inti say me den na manante wo se jumpe and na maame ne gym mpabo no na ode mpabo no kofie say wato prescribe one na ma no say against the school rules ne say menhye sa on prescribe na. She will not even wait for any teacher or any school authority to come and make it right. She will make it right herself. That is the level of discipline. And now your school. And then, you corporal punishment free. How many times the NTA says students, able teachers, to the extent say student etime ko to teacher ni buno e ma teacher ni yemre ye hu student wo teacher for second and they say teacher for no so like they are conscious of themselves because first na authority na emra ne mom mutimi punish students no na they are able to control the behavioral patterns of the students but they say what just had to me na eden every omonsem what do you expect them to do enti ene teacher ni timi sa akola ye de ensem fata pa teacher ni no ontimi ye den ontimi nya ho hwe all is as a result of MPP buying a much corporal punishment no every ono e be a problem even though corporal punishment na nka say every aspect of it is entirely good but na nka say ye aspect na enye good ni say e bia teacher ni be bu akola no at places bia e be posi health threat any sanya man no ye be na esiesie mra no but repealing the law no e bane corporal punishment no e won so ni because even in the Bible almost spare the child and spoil the rod and then the ACC were teacher ni student mi kum teacher ni student mi boot teacher ni na no teach ma ya say student has stabbed a teacher in the eye and you say I'm a teacher for no most of them have decided say me kwa koka ama student na bedi matem na me ni authority bia no audacity bia say me den ma reform ne dia ene munya ma obi anya ne oye exactly. And that is exactly what is causing the irresponsible behavior of today's adults. Can you imagine during Akufo-Addo time students 8 years after some repeal or ban to proper punishment no so no students minya kukudo ba bontin be di president as them say president ama or mo textbook say appoint ne beba wasi anto or mo di president atem and no dey can president akoma dey na see those students yampa mo me free school. So it was so telling say corporal punishment no ye free wa enye ye se bibi wo wa sinto bi wo ma yen hwe ne yensiesie se dia be ya ye betumi ayeden I control the behavioral patterns of our students. And again a teacher for no and this union oma started say associations say omo person mu take the government into ransom. They should be very careful. I think me your mampenia I would ensure Obabe Siki application so you came as an individual. One but as a union. Nyanko Poada Romana Unye Jumano after a Jumano na union some near then ebem. And if I were the president, I'm telling you Kwame Nkwantabisa, I will disband all unions.
That's any labor law now because the labor law allows for union.
Look, but they are abusing that opportunity they get. They are abusing it. And that's a BBSC. Not the legal procedure no go in accordance with the law. Say the beya you bet me because when him say brand here no, it was rumored say nankanya police for nebe fa na nkata boys ni be bunu ku no.
Say students no crash as here to trouble.
Exactly. Now after police for no koya arrest no. Wasn't it life saving?
It was like
now do you know the number of youth almost our area now my just say ujano no hunu as at that time because tempers are still what flying now mo pese ejano are you going to give him security?
No, but if there should be a proper reasoning you tell them what catch say order from above send me a money bailer they will also be agitated.
So what they need to do is you catch also order from above seek clarity what order from above ni yenchire omu. Because why Musa?
If you listen to the chairman, they did, but the police they don't explain. So if you show order from above.
So as unions, munim Ghana, what is the right procedure to use? Do you say mun kochirade? Na man kochirade those days na man kochirade na what's na mo chro no sa incentives na the taxpayers money etu am no man ko amu be expect. They should give us a break. It is becoming one too many. So Dr. Foyi or Confano issue. Be any union for CA2. Meanwhile, so musica so much in pepe. There's a moon quay jumana mosemode atia bibino. Are you not paying? Getting paid for that. So these things is becoming one too many. They should understand, say we have a couple of backlog or more chain. Say me who say irrespective of maybe no, I'm not threatening anybody, but they should understand, say they should prioritize it. Say assemble more for Jumano and blackmail the government. That is not the way to go. Because if the government also decide to also respond, at the end of the day, we will be hurting ourselves. So it's always very better, or it's very good for us to settle issues amicably in the right way than some more threatening our mind. It's becoming one too many.
Also,
I don't know.
Na incident here. I see a video here cover right.
Nana, me da say na ma menchia wetie for na me fan cha so ma atwuma kwa constituency na me ma me ba ko o ko fa twoma constituency women's organizer amatiwa me say say do ha delegate mo na yem fa nembra na me nua asema ye kan me nua won to ne bo ase sometimes you do be be respect teachers kakra me nua me teacher ni me can say the last time na me wo private school ba kwa na me tried this cry issue see here be by e ma ye ko kan bi akwa tin say o kan asema no the school masem free school no the coffee o ma me so be etimi ka hash words no their catch up just small girl class 4 no what their free face ma me kan just say bia o say be we jimi for wow and ya panish akra no o ma me ba school metete matare into been told that also do put yourself in the shoes of the teacher and son na be make some or trans bia wa make enema gen sem organ ha because what follow from somewhere 2024 ba na enema even student create media second wo teacher ni ani me no ka teacher ni ani asai me koye me internship or trans senior high school senior prep time na apprati duase na wo teacher ni kwa wo approach na otimi ka cho se kwa champagne wo pa abra wo make step na bi madwan na bi mu anya board no otewo enti se unhu ya sabi yamfa ya hun teachers for no shoe mu sesi ye omo so mo ye nipa o man forma ene ye se mon kra na ba enti ene de mo pa bia no mo ye no schools nim ene nyina hu video no ene ani enyan me for the first time me hu bi no me bua teacher no efo but ye dey aso toto fuma ye ti ye no ehun se du be na teacher no o protect no ho in the sad threat we na government omo call strike government mi nya ye nya botre omo ye man for man e de mo ko guo se omo ene nkwa no mo go sa senior high schools mi nua ani enya be bia keka ko no me nka me nya kwa na nka emfa sa keni no ye san fam na back because me your government the be is animal nyina de free ho I agree yeah the ba yeah na be free ho but to me enema bi one wo free SHS mi sa animal na me kra enyo so because last time I read something about I think it's UK or Canada or so. Omo kura no mo de Kenin, omo person de Kenin back. Na ye Africa ha sabi. Ye mo from no so odin. Etimi nua be be ye duro no. O se teachers for no say ye pe kwan bi so be fa so be bo teachers for na cheche for no. Omo so ye nkro ma. Me na say o share ya. I think one of the schools I ko bo akra ba ku any two. So o ka that incident na. And imagine say akra na two ocean botomin. Senka ye teacher ni na nkeko twa na ba anka da instance no ko hwe anka de na nkebesi wo intervestre wo abem wo kasa yesremo teachers for mo respect mo fo buo ni di mfa ma wo mo dance be threat wo mo nsa ne ma no minua enye fe ye respect teacher I think Ghana ye mu teachers.
I think he was also referring to unions no and association.
Listen here nye teachers ye mo na form unions you nana nye teachers ya na form omo sa na grant ne na nye teachers na wo mu so wo say this band omu ko a sabi akwa ya unlawful wo say this band na
and you unlawful
o pese o che say na say nkom kasa bo anse omo yem omu ye bibi na say omo ade bi koso omo ni nje ho a omu nyo bia e ma ne nkasa ma omo menua enu asa press conference ya hu for not for side and no mo be no e bi nsi daw say bia even teacher ni bi kwa ya de no mu nyina so afo omo anya the first time you that last time say hwe one bi na enkura kwa twe blantan se kan minimum se videos nya bi hwe ya e ti be akeka ko no ye condemn ye ni kwa se condemn one side ya wo form mani nkom ma no ho na aban so mpe kwankwa bi obefa so a obe protect teachers a protect students ni na going for the kwankwa obefa so a the education environment na be safe for the students and the teachers
but as much as I agree with you no
okay
also going to the profession no they omuka code of conduct code of ethics or whatever ni nyina acho what jatum so ni nyina be follow ana koye and once you have accepted there's a contract between you and your employer you obey those rules and regulations
sure
and then kwa na beba teacher sometimes don't mean hold you kakra de ye hu ni ehu yo
nana no credit o kan mati asepa but yen hwa de bi wa the teacher ni ye no I was say condemn say akra onye be mampo akra oba na watam na video na ni nya me pese meka ho asem I was say condemn sa ne ma no but nana e sha se fi ba bi na ba be pay baby a e wo sesi ye but I say the bia na ba na government ni gina students na as against can say teachers no ana amna ba be do baby e see ye wo sesi ye but going forward nana the best way say aban no fa na nsi form.
Do you see it as a bad precedent for other schools because ekobani say then baby abefa bia na teacher ni no abo akwada ana omuhwe video na edu baby gra teacher ni no Nkroma we de kwameza kwa beta mu ato atwe no akwara ko tam teacher ni
aba ne ho me ni se me hwe video am ka se na be ma but later me call my name come say oba no ne teacher ni yes and we are very strong
at a point in time. To be fair to the teacher, that teacher name person obe fight no to oborn to as a teacher but ni nyina Ghanaians nhwe the condemnation is one on your back to a teacher ni sa principle na ye de atete ho abedru. Do you think we are being fair to other gender? There be a bad gender issues be ma de gender issues.
Nana there's this question nana it raise upset and can imagine saying can be a student in ka bu teacher ni na
kasere abesere wo kroba no
anka report be akwa du kran kenya nu ho
ai
so what I say but nana nya sia wie ye be so mo say omo be call for strike ni sa ne manema no ye say omo anya akwa akodi police for onsem ye nhwe ne mfamra kwan so na say lawyer ne be pam ne nya ne bail a ye mpema no na emfa the rightful processes na ye mfamra ento bia wo say ye demra no eto nana.
All right, but that's it. Adoma wo bibi
me pese me ma me nuane ti bibi ase on say ne kasa na so contradicting who too much before he nyina ya teacher for have taught for over 7-8 years emra na omo fa sa ba na embeto corporal punishment no emra na teacher war authority to scold student no na say na nanka na edisua like our education institution na say net here when teachers were given the authority to punish students when they go wrong na say niema basa niema tantan say ni ehu and you can say you respect teacher for what we are saying. Nobody is disrespecting teachers because we are all one, but then when teachers also violate the very code of conduct of the profession, we need to be able to tell them. And then what is wrong? Say teacher for betimianya that temerity no to say omo the union in kabomko ebe threaten government, but you don't have any problem. But when we also let them or remind them say so threaten government, they should also be aware when the government want to threaten them back, the government is capable of doing it. That one you have a problem with it. And to say can any kind if no teachers have the right to threaten government. Doctors union have the right to threaten government, but they are more saints. They are more human beings than any other human being. They cannot be also told that a reversal action can be done to them. Let's set the record straight.
Yanko Maslow, former boss, Sadina Tamaklo, to Nusa Sonidin so, Obenya ba Onyama, Mamina Babitu, extradition, a do baby crana, ye compared to Yera Ken Furiata. Say Adena, and this for any war. Ken so dan no anka so backyard nipa no kra de court bua ne say odifo omedem 10 years emfa ne mai everybody be kra personally I was not in agreement with the attorney general, but na me hu say kasa ne ya doso. Is this one, does it show say indeed the attorney general given time no or yeah juma and I said this is ordinary. Mamima Nkrumah said now, Tamaklo, finally, Mahimu.
Nana, Medawasi, now I say, this issue, I think, see, full sense MPP near Wabem. Yeah, all these processes, and some union barber to us. Now, Mede say, Wababedru. Now, the GTM Wababa say, we are not beside deputy attorney general, so interview be here. Also on the ninja was a waba. But quarter dear, Nebodje, Ninja dear, on fano, same say. You busa and say, Nipana did not bag gun and who feel say, or say, then on the ninja. The whole deputy, ya won't nam court house and prosecute MPP officials.
No, say at the celebration, be ban also, Debbie. It doesn't go for
Nana, you busa just a simple question. You say, how a purpose of fossil feel was won't feel okay. But when I'm called to see and prosecute you, Nana, made a no problem. And I'm questions about make us say I'm sending you over to Ababa Park and so about Yera Kenufoliata issue. Nana, Omaba, almost on Pekwan, on my first somebody, Iraken, Ababa, no Baby Facing Law, no any problem. Gan will be anywhere also snake, Ghana Mamra. Sebi, ye na de esika e taxpayers money e de ma omo so mo fa mo man no ho bra ne do na se be bu akonta e wo so obu ye nua ba ya oba me nua so wo hwe MPP records a ye nua no man DC for ma be hwi o man aya jeli omo enye this the first time ye nua ba issue yi enye first time I be esini na me de me stre aban no se nua ba na wa ba no ye hwe na the process is na inside 10-year jate na wo so ko serve no onko serve then serve as a deterrent to the other ministers say almost serving in NDC government so be the Ghana sika ma almost mfanko bo emma Ghana empuntu anase Ghana development omo de kwa akoye no mo embassy anaso mo ndi e wo manum etimia going forward ene ye wa appointees bi omo gina court mesre wo mo said the NDC former appointees for the same rightful procedures ene ya jeli mami ene ya extradite na de ba Ghana obe 7 GTM no ye mo amaka sin naso nye dey emfa so no mo nko ene ye cases bebebe minu ya wanim sem omo fa mo kra court but MPP for the track record say NDC appointees omo di Ghana dream minu metima bobi e wa ha de a kire wo kai ye nua be ma Victor Solomon okay Dan Abudape okay Malam Isa all these appointees they serve in the NDC government NPP shema sankofu emu nyina no dream ni ketase se omu di ye omu bo man kro no NPP hema ye jeli wo mo e de serve a deterrent to the ministers omu serving the NPP government be menua going forward said them din kaka say me e de and the minimum at Yaman ye said the Ebay Chinabinkum Memete Yamam regional minister, Yamam minister, Visaman survey, our other department, our other ministries. Some men and Cromamity Minya, but the best survey manana, who when you're some faso, not mean so many of the bay, as some faso, Namin Conco Disicano. And Tim sir, I am Marana Air in the Juma. Me the Nanseno Moka said the law is the law. Yamma Quaiman Rano, and take it in its rightful shape, not any Juma. Na me de men condemn bibia MPP for us say omu gina emra no yemma mra no eno muni menua akomutu and some months in office omu make sure say kwa dunia de omu bo MPP appointees nyina no omu hwe de odifo bia no yemfa no kwa afiase me de me so ekatase ne proye so nana yeso so ebema yo my Ghana the US kire no ebe tantanta na me no ka say ye no makwa gugu South Africa ye pamo ye bubi e ma mo ba fi and the last time in your video be say na no hwe bia say fair country be say Cambodia say whatsoever menua na Ghana for ye tata no dada montene say sika ye kan ho asem ye kodi maame we ankohwe de ye niam o say ke aban no e de ya anka menua anka ye youth anasa menua me ne tie ke benya be papa bia ye dey aye adwuma omututu kwota manfom enclose ma yanko panese o mo ankofa oyaw ene atete menua ye going forward no me de mesre wo mo maame na ba on serve and other cases me de omba we twetwa mu kra na me bonyo so but omanya twetwa ma wie but menua me sure bo say all cases na e work out menua no ba omekele ni nyina no MPP ba said the yes said nam temakro no ye ba be say san be nyane no ni asan hwe ama Ghana for so nyane rightful justice menua
Kwame
Nana Nkwantabisa. I didn't miss
I think between 2013 and 2016, exactly, 3 years in office, 90 million.
90 million Ghana cedis.
Accra High Court say 10 years.
Edanyamiasi. Emede. Se ene sedina tamaklo. Kwa kwa de fiase 10 years. For yamfane say stealing 90 million Ghana cedis. Then I will say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. PDS scandal. The amount is times 30 of this 90 million Ghana cedis. At least said in a case but if 90 million Ghana cedis or stand and our kwako de fiase 10 years then Ghana we need to be serious, especially my own party, the NDC, we need to be serious. Because all African games $40 million. Enya Ghana cedis so $40 million. Okobrania di odenanam ha obi anka ne hwe. And we are not fast tracking processes. We say the wheels of the law grind slowly. We should be very particular about such people. National Cathedral, $97 million. NDC bebo krono or born in Ghana cities. MPP ni bo krono or born in US dollars. You understand? No, I'm just trying to let you understand something. No matter how bad an NDC will be, he's better off. He's a saint compared to the MPP. Said in Atamakulu, 90 million Ghana cedis, 10 years. And to wake up call on MPP Kasa, almost say Ena Victor Solomé, yen prosecuting Yate. You can always point a finger at Yen Crofwa or Moye Bonia Muchi Mason. But you've never in history been able to point a finger at Moankasa and Crofwa, a Crofwa Mupatia, or Mudi Ganenya, Muntiminchi Bakukrentumu. It is so telling of your political party. So telling. And as I said in Atamaklu, she was an appointee of President Mahama. Anambwa. And most started prosecution in 20 years. High Court, Emma, has sentence of 10 years. 2024, I mean, Nyamin Chadie, Yen best started extradition process. Yen started say, young training free US, near Vanembra Ghana, no better, no better 7 sentence, true or false. That is true. Ya nkasa na yakasa omre fie ni antwe na so we appointee enti ye nya abasha boni o. We don't encourage wrongdoing. Ya yanti se party a ende o hwe de yakoso Ghana ha obebunu bia obetimi aye irresponsible edipeni atem akika nsema ensem fata sa bebunu no na MPP for erezi no. On say the way our communication the way our kasa se Ghana wana kuma no onko nim as a party MPP no odoma onko nim da. The attempt is a fancy comedy, not Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Bamo no hagyo. The attempt is a coca, not Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Maninho, or Maunya Edwin Fie. And the attempt to promote MPP communicators. I can go and on and on and on. And Abronya is more popular than Dr. Mahmoud Baumia because Abronya to me, yeah, dear about Copenhagen and you know, Congressman Baumia Bako lectures 3 hours. Of Yanti about Miaka. True or false? Oh, it's true. Abronya is more popular than Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Recently, yeah, court, yeah, but no minority leader. Well, Abronya the only person who to me can't send back up. No, mama in before lawyer for you know, Munina refuse margin. Or Munina margin ira. Or Munina ira. And I'm a minority leader. Emma remark say, I say, Yamra Bata, no, you could run near Bua judge for. I say, I know Abronya or Cocas or Mujudge in be. Na judge no munita or bastardize a court. Entimijina Hana Meka say. Abronya is more popular than Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. It's true. Because it's very true. Recently, Abronya, between Abronya and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, one are trendy. It's Abronya. It's Abronya. And you know, I agree. They are meant to make a change paying for and say there are 90 million Ghana cedis. Said them cook them for 10 years. No? Yes, wrong watch. I'm a wound to me, dear. Say, and you 50 years, sir. Mama make a hinge. Say, yes, you can do one. Yes, you can do one. Yes, you can do one. So what must you can do one? Mustafa Hamid, GMPC. Mustafa Hamid, GMPC. They were stealing in dollars. Oh, and yeah, can I say, yeah, they at least are setting good example. We are able to prosecute our own and ensure that we hold them accountable for their stewardship. Have they shown any commitment? No. And until ya tum said na bonko chirim, nendani lesson Emma May Harris. That should be some opportunity. And until most of the people don't agree with the NDCO. Nana kwa tebe unim bilisa. Recently, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia so be deep president of Mampeni, Mahama Tem now, Wakobamno, no or praise or Munanipana be popular. Some of our social media bloggers mean no more MPP or Munkro for dear cry, good or bad or Mutauch. And they catch them say, no, we don't support that. We must not encourage this. We must not.
Now, as I said, in Como on a year, Convanochi Teaching Hospital, now. Na one of the things I in a chance I can say young fear in qua ferry na young co the other hospital say what dear young sheni me na I'm told say an opemu co a ferry or no Bawa big do senior journalist Kwame Redu oh Kwame Mpefie Kwame Mache
Madu so amina
Nempom te saying Siniana, there's no idea now. Also,
hospital. You me se bi man
wa me jira ye kakra no ho ma no twetwasi dodo
ye amuda ye hu se ene omotua na mo aba santimante no mo ba ye no no mo so mo de mo ni bekre afori hospital no ene de akabi e san se ya ade ye pa se so mo ka ho asem enu mu na mo tua na mo a yewa yim ono ene di enimu na yewa ono so so wo north frank ya ono so di enimu na ono mo nche ha ma ye ni nkobo kaka na emisa no bitaye na so ma ne omotua na mo ya omo bebedu afri harma sabi omo bedu tani ni ma achi de ba Sompa TV Sompa radio and pewe mejo
me fa akonya ntia Sompa tifo nyina dentia mu ha nse ye bi kwa den mu ha ye ba ya se nya ne se MP fa akonya no so no contract we na ne value 2.2 billion Ghana cedi ye bi fa akonya no so ne atu ni na wi amraka 200 million yes the person go confirm not so no enke be wi sika ma contract na sa basare ba be yaduma na wi na nka omo wo kwanka be onya omo san twa kwan ko confirm not na nka omo timi abaha ya no no na ma so ase confirm not pressure wo so a SCC o pra yi na die so nko response ni ade no enti ne ba ha me ne pay for no ye ba ye enti ya ba se ba be condition ne ba hands off the ba bi ko ya anfa sika twa kwan ke kwan ko ani ye ba ya ye konso a the best time about it ye sans bi mti de ka do bi ba ko na se mi nko ma wa chantel di ha na pressure no emfu confirm na okko confirm se ni pe ni bi di da form ni ade ba se ha ye wi a be do ma ko confirm ya ko da form because hanso ye hospital ha so kama na minority corporate parliament has head committee for your parliament no ye ma ye di ba ye
on abu me ke se no mi se yi tu anamo mo free had mo a mo ko hina mo to so ahwe ya hodo e wo mpete mo hina san na mo tu anamo
ye free ha ye ko chede ai wa tuma kwa ngoma ne ye ko sewua ye fi sewua ne ye ko oforiko ne afa je ho nyina ye bo amane a na media for no so an kwese ne ye nkwa na ye ka na media for so hu the state of na ehu na mo tima kan yi na aba no so timi hu say also be at least they don't timi ni na kura e sika ne dey and then for say be ni na ba oyi ba ko mi bi ya ma pressure ko fa na ti so no aba form kakra na enipa enwu basabasa e ko ho a eye avoidable say preventable sa na ye kire say be go bi eye preventable say avoidable bi ano e tu avoid it ni pa enwu wa bra ni so mu
yo on ya wa atno itan no me se be gani a ono so kan apoko modern sem so ewo minority ewo bedom ono na ye na di nkomo CCI ne na pressure benya yewura ayim so ma ke ne di but CCI ka so da network professor a ne di nkomo de ewo ha tido ni ya ba ya ni na ye se akwanya omanya na omoze eba no ye se benya yewura enu na no so ake ana bo we Sompa ma ye wa no asem kakra bi say ye nim say temper wada ma butani ebi ni say
hospitals yi waba se mo hu se na hanu mo fie hospitals if you want MPP break contract no ye 2 point do ye no kasem debt restructure no ye need discuss ye agree of 36 million revaluation ye ka say there be 18 ye do hono mo no be October ya to abawi and aban to ka say your mahama ko ka say obo be wi ye wo hono antan wato aso se ti ya ye bi wo se no fe no ye bi wo new ones na has the na you know oja wo na obeko ti atum ni atum ti ye friend say and the wo kan ye o man fo ti ye no se na wo ye bi wo bi no sa na asante so di ehia nti ne ya bane da mase
honorable ayi na nugu so na ena mem tempe ne abio no nti no me ka sei anomo foforo na ye tu dominia sadia bisuadi hu na omonya se sewia ene afori hanu ana ampa wa bro mampeni ye ne ye be ye amana bo asanteman ene ya ho apemdi ze no ena sabu no enam so a omotua na wo e dia ba haduma eguso a ye bo mpempe wa
okay Kwame dia chepa bibe be si bia na wabo enkomo
me da so papa baminia
okay Kwame radio so na ejira mu a dia koso awo afari military hospital also update yen ewo honum ti enyina empire say at least you be hu some of these hospitals say enya facelift na ebi so expanding say be ya on for much pressure eye da so no ebetimi free so oma But there is one person be a would here or say Ebia Wadriama, so main Chuagin said, so we feed the $46,000. The famous Malam Issa, and so he was being prosecuted by Kofo and the MPP or more prosecutor Mwankasa or Munko Pen.
Well, what can I say? But with this reportage now, I should commend you heavily for doing that. And for once, and for the second time, I commend the minority for doing something right. Yes, but it's a minority, you should be responsible. Never be saying also a buying agent because these are physical things I need a bit me. Once an Ekasem was all my penny Mahama and the best at and the MPP so buying almost on bedding on bed was. But you were Santi Kukos, members of parliament, or Mutana 8 years or money. He was quick to criticize the government, say, Abayano as I started for 4 without completing this one, and that is right. And now, watching Abayano, Adrian Basu say, we no, a more present here, may we no. I think it's a right call because maybe they be a make us a Niama Bakumuni and Sabine was say, and this are buying a was antimemo, near Kelly MPP once and for all. Bakune Afari, Baku a trade, and say what? You are near interchange, you know. Yeah, Kelly Bibia Asa. MPP is dead.
You think so?
Now, Crawford Market.
Yeah, Crawford Market.
MPP is dead.
Another landmark.
Because Enre Yamefa Swami. Oh, share the way Ramgo, a Jumane Cosmo. Masami campaign me coach Chamfoni na me akoto. So I think this, for once, is a very good step up minority now. This is how we expect the minority to be holding the government accountable on things that has value and importance to the good people of Ghana. And almost one mobile and one man better say Afari any trade any one or no more start agenda 111. Because even when they were doing it at a point in time, President Akufo-Addo and Kasabega agenda 111 was over ambitious. I didn't know man complete way no. I didn't know. I mean, members of parliament, Ashanti Regional Caucus, ain't me am press ya maya nyewe no. Inti no we die, me ankasa me frem aban. Say yes no. Yan ye wa Asante me sune afare won wie. Say wa won wie. Ene trade won wie ye we are interchange no so ye nte ho. Ni en kill MPP once and for all.
Thank you. Nkrumah.
Nana. This issue, I think I'm banana can't be no no topic. I think say hospital issues in confirmation. Me who say, but I think say
Anka Obeka Biano.
Minia. Otiana, I think say oye the DBB. I mention one project in Ashanti region, a hospital. Almost say was Ashanti region. Almost say to me we was Ashanti region. I mention just one. NCMCCA. Minia. NPP buy be kwa ibe wie from na one shall see you. Ye ba be wie kumawu ye wie tepa menua enti ka je say ye ko friends say afere ne ko ye this reportage de ba I say you need that credibility be kan ho asem
but I recommend them say my idea
menua one be no fiba what ya hu asem na o kan o say ye mfele ade asem na o tia na o kan no
that's also on the Ashanti Caucus MPs and
me tell you o say asem MPP for
you think they did enough for Ashanti
oh menua
specific
hospitals ya ma bobo so yi ye ba ba tu yo ya bandio no o ka bi say me fatuma kwa ma o say trade ye nko wie na wona ka jo say trade hospital ye wie ye commission trade hospital I was there myself so almost me mema mo for cameras ni echi ni nko trade ni nko bi trade hospital no ajara 111
operationalize
oh menua
I'm in chantru
government is in continuous and I'm say pa yanko bie trade hospital no agena 111 ni enhwe machine se guma say ya mana nya operation am ba die ncho man nya operation we trade free wa yanko ofori krom kokoben the same thing me na say mu twa ntro bi so be kaya
ofori krom then they have been there I think just yesterday also
good na say me na nana jene Dr. Keski Moko menua ento sia no mu twase enwie ye so be ka Weja Children's Hospital
yeah.
It took some journalists be the cameras were inside the main say and turn this this for HR. Omu right hospital inside. Omu say be bia ho your money here aduma be after the na account be transfer and the kawa menua and turn mu twa. We hospital say we ni nyina ye beto ya na ye complete ye na. Me amikrom atuma kwa ma. Twede district capital ye be see hospital 40 bed capacity wo. Okoma so nkwanta Bekwai, ye for mina, ye kumawu no. Minya, and Jado so ntomo many credibility bia Ashanti region.
All right.
And our power message just one, my trauma, or message just one.
Nana Nkwantabisa, me no, but the Mebusan say, is he more learned, is he more on top of issue than Ashanti Regional Minister Simon or Semens? Now, Simon Semens and away Ashanti Regional.
0548931931 Barbara, line 2. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Kwame Nkwantabisa, what the question mean?
Betty, I said, what do you want? Can't you no credit?
It didn't be shy to be up over the chairman of Muslims. I'm more empty in the home of Sopa, Manchina, the Madonna Codenti, organizer, LCD. There was a Marocco person, I do many Domoko, something more. I found the young empty, which I thought, you know. Now, anything after maybe enough and make a bone a famous a thinking about me. One from Brazil, actually, Bahama. 1 hour to 1. The popular camera, my number can be empty. It is a better Casas now, Ghana for the catch and again, I'm a intelligence for the old room. That can be anything happening the beginning of 1 year. Huh? Some again, I think I get from them. I got 10 years about I know about me. And it's father. You know, the and before the death, what I tell you, it's going to be a popular question. Mamma Ghana going to a president. I get a pound of my year and take out the popular. The food to one of the women so we hope Mahama. I look at something to be a family. Because the director and the before, but the position to a pass no. So that would be at a position.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Roman father,
the father himself.
Oh, Asantema Roman father. Now, I'm in police comment that this will be a immigration boss. And now, policy that said, my poor boy, Mr. Santi, Ghana Police Director. Coca was never time at now, so Francois Secretary. Minia, young kind of fan train. You must say, they say, yeah, hospital Sevilla, Afeli. Satu hospital Sakasia, debate me, and Maui, also be Casse, and another buy one, no one may hospital, another buy one hospital. Koko Kumawa, say a yejuma. Koko Kolongo, at Fantasm Central, Okwakum, a yejuma. But the thing is, hospital can fear in case of saying beer will be a emergency serious be a better maintenance so you know, press said you know, the panel. And no green, yes, and nothing you say, Seria, any affelino. Some hospital can send you no. It takes me because of one cry, you were rich, you were 37. But the Buno, we are a police hospital. Obasako, you was up with it. Can you put in your Breno? It is a sense of Dominic Mahama. 24 hours economy market to be prepared to be. And so, baby, why you did get say, we call you why, never second because of that hospital in the real. The ministers in the vehicle, Monsieur President Kufo, Monsieur President Kufo.
May I see my father? Hello, good morning.
Morning,
yes, sir.
Well, we are better about it. No way to make a chauffeur.
I'm a bit young.
But that's a powerful. I imagine I didn't go copy and I buy or tell the assassin. But 2 days, I honestly tell Poco assistant to Central Regional Secretary. Of I told him, younger self, he must mentor. And somehow, they be a flower video, so also call it a kind of saying a communications officer or mention of the best of Moment Top and the man. Of what's it as a purely abroad by you? And this is for who say Ashanti region, mostly in Faba Momo, and Tiabetu Abanomo position, said that, or not antiphony be a Kotua Banamomo. And Momon Bapa was a Kim and one Nomonia Santinibia and BBIB. It were purely abroad by you, or my say, yen or money, and Cabana of a Menamino Casay. After a military hospital, President Kufada Roma. Through irrigate project, by year start here. 8 years and Profui, just over 15%. ana mo de ka ho ena me no kaza na do akofo do awie ya kan se be post ni pakom eso abro ni beye by John Mahama ni NDCT omo mo fa ni pankom of our hospital so kwa kumasi na do danko akofo do ewie ye oi sabronum hospital akofo do wie so ame hospital ai akofo do wie chede akofo do wie dobonso akofo do wie mason kwanta akofo do wie chese hospitals we nyina the agenda 111 I from agenda 11 completed the biwum eti enye abro no be pa ekadin na agenda mani mama hospitals are the akofo we nyina wasante region what wo mi ma ayi Ghana for nya ayi ahoto ana ahoma ayi kan say hospital papa enkomo asante region
may I say thank you yamfa dwumadi ni sia na Kevin Tempa my birthday mienu miensa bi ha menyim free on 10 na yanko so happy birthday to Dr. Brown. Today is your birthday. We ask for God's mercies and blessings. It's saying nyame dom ne mobro hu ai ba ni paso ode ni fra domu kwa domu nyame yo ti peja fo nko so peja oti. Brown, happy birthday bro, enjoy your day. And happy birthday to DJ KA. The landry de onya de kodia obu 2 out so mato 2 out yes senior man kama we DJ KA osunya DJ KA, happy birthday to you. Manager, enjoy your day. And happy birthday to Nkansa Bebio Acid, the Afano South West Incoming Ashanti Regional Youth Organizer from Kennedy Ohene Minta, Ashanti Regional Communication Team member, MPP, and Baby Deshia Kwaku. Timpenfa Kesifo Mianuso ma happy birthday. Esenya me say wakuma so ade mrem okwa Ashanti Regional Youth Organizer. Nyame wakuma so ade mrem adwumaden ne ahobrase nti nyame fa onru baby episode. Happy birthday Ngansa Bibio, enjoy your day. And a happy birthday to Stephen Obey Mensa, an aspiring communication officer at Germany, Leipzig branch from Dennis Akowa. So Stephen Obey, happy birthday. May all your endeavors be supervised and be protected by God alone. Yeah, we show the very best. I was our contest. So say happy birthday. Then Zakowa say happy birthday to you. And happy birthday to Da Costa, the Pato, Honorable Kwakwam Prechum Sapon, Mampon MP from your niece, Nana Akye of Sompa. See, Nana Akye say, oh, my happy birthday. Da Costa, happy birthday. Da Costa, happy birthday from Nana Akye. Or say, Nyame Inshamau, Veronica. Say, oh, my happy birthday. Nyame Enfo Fra Dumu Kwa Dumu. Nyame mani mo brohu enkoso nya kesima. She's proud of you. Say, oh, you're special. And to need to say happy birthday to you. A happy birthday to Bella from Nana Yabua. Bella, happy glorious birthday. Yes, you're too for Yankopon say. O mani bambo ni mo brohu no. Enya kese ewo so. And ewa wode yamo awoda pa. Enjoy your beautiful day. Oh, work. Team 9 ready. Jack, where are you? They are here. Sports for Twaso.